Hello everyone. In today's part, we will solve one more practical assignment of the subject PHP, that is Internet Programming. We already learned some assignment of this chapter, functions and strings. Now we'll solve the set B question number 1. Write the PHP script for the following. Design a form to accept two strings from the user. First, find whether the small string appears at the start of the large string. B. Find the position of the small string in the big string. C. Compare both the strings for first n character. Also, the comparison should not be case sensitive. So let's see what will be the answer. This is the HTML output. We need this type of a string 1 and string 2, and here is the list of operations. Here you need to use the radio button. First, find whether the small string appears at the start of the large string. Find the position of the small string in the big string. Compare both the string for first n character. Also, the comparison should not be case sensitive. When the input is Sarhat College, here second string is suppose COL, or suppose I am entering the SAR. Then find whether the small string appears at the start of the last string or not. So submit it. So you will get the answer string SAR present at the start of the Sarhat College. Then when you are changing the here, find the position of the small string. Suppose small string is this. Use the second choice. Answer will be 7. Then see, this is different because see here you need to count the letters, so you will get the position of this C. When you are comparing these two, here you will get the comparison. Okay, the comparison is in numbers, means the suppose first string is greater, you will get the positive. If the second string is greater, you will get the negative answer. Then let's see the code for the same. For HTML, you need a two string. So first start the HTML. Here body form action means the see when you are clicking on a submit, here substring b1 PHP, you are moving towards this file. So form action means our PHP code is inside this file. Method equals to get. So here you can observe the parameter passed through this function. String 1 input type equals to text, name equals to txt1 first. Okay, this line, this string 1, this line gives the output string 1 Sarhat College. Then string 2. Okay, string 2 input type equals to text, name equals to text2. So you will get the this second text box. Then which operation you want to perform? Here just the text. Then input type equals to radio. You need to use the radio button. Name equals to OP. Okay, operation. This variable this is used. Then value equals to 1. If you are selecting the 1 or 2 or the 3, see based on this it will select this level. So input type is equals to radio. Name equals to OP. If you selected the first choice, then find whether the small string appears at the start of the string. See, similarly for the first, second, third, we'll use the same code. Then input type equals to submit, so you will get this submit button. End of form, end of body, end of HTML. So this is the HTML coding. Now let's see the PHP coding. So what will be inside the PHP? First I will. Okay, so inside the PHP, let's see here. PHP, then $str1 equals to $get text1. Why to write the text1 here? Because you use here text1, txt1, txt2 as a name of this text boxes. So you want the string here. So by using the get, we are accessing this and storing into string1 and string2. Then see, you need to use the same name here. Okay, see here you use the txt1. So text you need to use the same here only. Then OP also store inside this. Switch ch means suppose I'm selecting the first choice. This first or the one number will send from here, so it will matches to the case 1 and it will execute this. First is for what? First is find whether a small string appears at the start of the second string. So we are using the function strpos. Okay, the syntax is given here. We need to provide the first string, then second string. So you can check the this string is present inside this or not. If $POS not equals to 0, then here, see, if it is not equals to 0, echo string this string to name is not present at the start of the string. See, that else echo string str2 present at the start of the string. You need to give the answer in here echo statement here and here. So we are using the if and else here. Then case 2, find the position of the small string in the group. So this strpos function will return the position. This will return the position. So str1, suppose you are providing this name and str2 is this. So it will return the position of C inside the COL. This here means the starting letter is C. So it will return the position of this C is 7. And then case 3. This is for the string comparison. So we are using the str case cmp. Okay. So it will consider the case also. So str1 comma str2. See, when you are using the case, na, see here, also the comparison should not be case sensitive. Okay, it should not be case sensitive. So we are first converting the string. So str case cmp function we need to use str1 comma str2 and then break. So after this, how to run this code? So just click here. See, here I'm using the XAMPP server. So you need to start this XAMPP server. I already started. Install the XAMPP and run the XAMPP. I already explained in previous video. Start these two functions, two actions, and then here type the local host, then your folder name, your assignment name, your file name, and then press the enter. So here type the name as PHP programming. You can change the data, you can check for the same. Suppose I want to check for the PHP, then you this find whether this is present or not. Yes, this is present. See here you will get the PHP1 equals to PHP programming TXT2 and all. Okay, because we are using the get method, so you can see the parameter pass in URL. Means here we are passing the parameter and selecting the choice. So when you are clicking on a submit, you will get this here also. Okay. So in this way, you can do this assignment successfully. Thank you. Thank you very much.